kung ano yung a-adjust ko pa coming from a power forward, magiging wing nga. So, ayun, kung ano lang yung binibigay sa akin na sitwasyon ni Coach Charles, then take advantage ko lang palagi.
Make you lean on him more to be a playmaker?
I think so. In the past, before we used him as a 4-3-4, but now he definitely has to play the wing. It's an adjustment for him because here in the Philippines, he's basically a four-man, a big who can really make plays. Here he's a wing, but it's a good chance for him to develop and grow. I think having the experience playing in this tournament last year and then the confidence of being the MVP in the UAAP will really help him improve even more.
Ito yung dadalhin ko sa buong kamera ko yung mga payo na binibigay nila sa akin.
Personally, ano masabi mo doon sa preparations ng team nyo heading to Dubai?
Yun, sobrang ganda naman ng progress as per Coach Charles. And kung ano yung roles namin, napupunan naman namin. And ayun, can't wait na makapunta kami sa Dubai and makapaglaro in front of mga madaming kababayan natin.
Can you talk about yung experience after winning the championship? Biglang may ganito kang opportunity. Kamusta na lang yung feeling ng fans?
Sobrang saya dahil first coming of the championship, maglalaro agad ako as early as January. And ayun, kung ano yung matututunan ko dito, dadalhin ko lang sa Lasal. And take advantage ko kung ano yung meron kami dito.
Okay, hindi ko alam kung natanong na nila, pero marami na kayong big man ngayon. Do you think you're looking forward to a playmaker this year?
Ayun nga, as early as December, sinabihan naman ako ni Coach Charles na hindi ako pwede maglaro ng 4 dito dahil ayun nga, yung international level, pang wing talaga ako. So, nung sinabihan kagad ako ni Coach Charles, talagang dinevelop ko everyday. Kung ano yung a-adjust ko pa coming from a power forward, magiging wing nga. So, ayun, kung ano lang yung binibigay sa akin na sitwasyon ni Coach Charles, then take advantage ko lang palagi.
Mas gusto mo? Point forward or quattro?
I think sa team namin, madami ng facilitator. Ako, stay ready lang ako kung ano yung kailangan ng team gagawin ko.
Gano'ng kalaking bagay for next year na kayong dalawa ni Coach Topitz magkasama dito sa
Sobra saya, sobra. Kasi dahil, ayun nga, knowing magkasama kami last January until ngayon na nabubuo nga yung banding namin. Even wala kami sa Lasal, pero represent pa din namin yung bansa. And ayun, sobrang happy lang na makasama ko siya. And ayun, can't wait to go to Dubai na.
Thank you.
Thank you.